guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness a Lifestyle, and I wanted to share my Colourpop haul with you guys this time. And I have got some of their liquid lipstick, and I've got their lippy sticks, and I felt like they were a little drying, especially the liquid lipsticks that I had got. But I love Kathleen lights, so I think I've got a lot of her collabs already, whether it's with Ofra, whether it is with Colourpop. So that's the reason I had bought at the time. But the liquid lipsticks I felt were like really drying, and I haven't used them for a long time. I think I have like 2 or 3 of them, and the lipsticks are fine, but they also I felt were a little bit drying, but they are still okay. Like, I don't mind buying them again. But after that, after the liquid lipstick, I had like said to myself that I'm not going to buy anything from Colourpop again. But I ended up buying something, because you guys know how I've been uploading a lot of my eyeshadow videos. So I ended up buying some eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to show you guys some. I don't know how much to show because it's a lot. So I got some here. Wait, I'm not turning to the address. So I got 2 packs, as you can see here, 2 packs of Colourpop. Okay, that's Colourpop. Now let me just show it one by one so I don't make this very long. Now first thing let me show is just the empty palettes I got. I got 2 empty palettes, and I just got this just to put like spare eyeshadows that I keep. I have a lot of single eyeshadows that I have, and there are some that I use like often or I love, so I wanted to put them all like in one space. So that's why I was like, I got some of these. And this one, it looks very, I thought that this was like already magnet, like I thought if I take my eyeshadow and just put it like that, it would stick to it, but it doesn't look like, because I tried like just putting in like a NYX eyeshadow that I had, like just the pods in, it was not really sticking to it. So which I feel like maybe I should get those magnetic strips or something and then try it on. Maybe I thought this was all like already magnetic. So let me know in the comments if you guys know if I need to get something else, or this should be able to do it. But or is this only for Colourpop shadows? I don't know. I need to try and look at it more. So that's a smaller one version I got, and they were all like on sale when I got, so I don't really exactly remember. Hold on, I think I should have my the thing here where I got this. So the large empty palette and the small empty palette, yeah, I don't see the price, so I don't really remember, guys, but I got it on sale. They were all on sale, and you know Colourpop goes on sale a lot of the time, and this was like at the time they had like some 40% on the palettes and stuff going on, so that's when I got these. So I got one small one and a bigger one. So I thought like I have a lot of big size ones like blush highlighters that I would like to depot and put them, so I thought I can use this. So I got this. This is really cute. It's written you're dreamy on it, really pretty. And then this is written I am cool on it, and they're not like very heavy because they're just like cardboard empty palettes. So these are the 2 empty palettes I got, because I was really wanting to get from Color Drain, but then you know my Color Drain story, what had happened. I probably could call them back and ask them. I mean, they still messed up my order, so I should be able to keep what I have and get a new one, but I just didn't bother. So this one I got it from Colourpop. So these 2 empty palettes, and then I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, and they were both on sale, and I went and checked them out in Ulta, because Ulta has Colourpop now. So I'd gone and checked the swatches and everything, so I really wanted these 2 for specific reasons that I'll tell why. Because I actually gave my one of the palette back to Sephora, which is that the sun is that the mini sunset palette from Natasha Denona. Yeah, the mini sunset, which was $25 I bought from Sephora. I didn't feel like that quality was up to the mark of like their big sunset palette. And I had already heard that a lot, but I still wanted to try it for myself, so I got it. I even shared that with you guys on the video, but I ended up returning that, and that is why I got this palette. This is the Colourpop's Yes Please palette, kind of popular one, and this is compared or is considered to be a dupe for the Sunset palette, the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. So and I think it's like color to color dupe. And so I also saw, I think Stephanie Nicole or somebody, yeah, they compared it and they were telling that these shadows are also very good quality. So that's why I was like, okay, so let me just try this instead of, I'm not going to buy that. That's like, I think $129 palette. That's the, I'm not talking about the mini, like the big sunset one is like, that's a good quality one. And that is like $129, I think. So I ended up buying this one. So this is, look at that, so beautiful, right? Like the colors that I love, those sunset, brownie, orangey, burnt orange colors. So this is so pretty. So that's the S Please palette. It has really beautiful colors. Now I haven't tried them yet. I just watched some, but and this kind of looks like the color drains like yellow color. Kind of looks like that, so it should be good. Hopefully it should be good. So that's the S Please palette. It's really beautiful. I love the cover also, like all yellow and, you know, cream color, and they have all the names are in the back here. And I don't know if I even care for the names, but the good thing is the names are also on the inside here, like next to the colors. Underneath the color they have the names also, which is pretty cool because you can know the name right there. So that's the S Please palette I got. And the next palette, I got two palettes actually, and yeah, they were like 40% off, I think. And then this palette is, again, I always end up buying Kathleen Light stuff, so I ended up buying this one, the Dream Street. I wanted to get two, so I was like, which one, and I looked at a lot of videos for reviews and everything, and then zeroed in on these two palettes because one was the dupe for Sunset, so I wanted that. I was like, I don't want the Sunset anymore. And then this one I got, Dream Street, because it kind of has a mix of colors and it has a blue that I love. So after watching a lot of reviews and all the swatches of lot of, because you know Colourpop has like hundreds of palettes, it's very confusing to know which one to buy, and you kind of have to think more like what are the colors that I would use, and then based on that you have to do your selection, because otherwise you'll end up buying so many. So that's why I kind of zeroed in on these two. So this is the Dream Street. This is a Kathleen Lights collab with Colourpop, and it is beautiful. I kind of like Kathleen Lights like colors very much, like whatever she likes in the selection. So this has a lot of like that bronzy, because she's also someone who likes like coppery colors. So this has like all that bronzy color, reddy color, red. It has the blue, the teals, you know, and the purple. Like I love it. It has a good combination of colors. The blue here, I love that blue there. So it's like that tealish blue. That's a dark blue, and then these light colors that go very well on the eyelid as a base. So I really liked this. And there's like this bronzy color, Stardust. That's my favorite. It's really beautiful. So I love it. And same thing here also. It has all the names are underneath the thing, underneath the color. They have the names right there, so you will know what exactly they are by looking at them. So I thought like this, with this and that, I kind of will get a lot of color like shades. So really nice. So I don't know when I'm going to be out of this eyeshadow phase, because I go through phases all the time. Like, you know, for a time I'll be buying only eyeshadows. For a time I'll be hooked on to lipsticks. for like a long time. For whole time I'll be like hooked on only with like eye stuff. So it's like, yeah. And then there's a time when I go through skincare, which I already went through, and I need to actually share some stuff with you guys, but you know, I don't have time to do the videos. So this is the Dream Street palette, and really beautiful. So that's the other one I got. And then I got some single shadows too, which I don't know why I needed the single shadows. And now this single shadows I actually got from Ulta, actually, not from Colourpop. I got them from Ulta because I wanted to use a coupon. So I used like the $5 or $15 coupon I had. So I used that. So I was able to get like 3 of them with something else I got, and I made it like $15, so I could get $5 off. So I got 3 of this Colourpop Super Shock shadows, and I love this. These Super Shock shadows are so beautiful. They're kind of like the Kat Von D's metallic, what are that? Metal Crush shadows, the metallic ones that I had hauled a lot of them from TJ Maxx. So I'd showed you guys, I'd shared with you guys. I love those too. Those also, the quality is there. The quality is very good on the single ones. Same thing with these. These are really nice, metallic, beautiful shadows. And the colors I have here are, there's a cloud. There's a cloud, and as you know, I love, this is how it comes in, and like in a pack like this, and then you open it up, and then it has this box like that. And you know, I like my rusty, orangey and bronzy shades, coppery shades. So this one, and then you just like open it like that. Look at that. So beautiful. It's a really nice color. Maybe I'll just swatch these ones and show you guys, because I really want to. They look so beautiful on the eyes. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful metallic shade. Look at that. Wait, yeah, no, that's not the middle finger. I don't want to be showing middle finger to you guys. Okay. So beautiful color. So there's a cloud. And then the other one is, I'm wondering if she has done any, if Kathleen Lights has done any collab with them, with the Super Shock shadows. I don't know. But this is another color that she raves about. This is called Telepathy, and it's kind of like that greenish gold, and it is beautiful. I love this one. Oh my god, I love this. One of the Kat Von D ones is also very similar to this one. Look at that color. Where is my swatch? On this finger. Look at that. So beautiful color. So that is Telepathy. And the last one I have here is called Coconut. And I love blue on my eyes, so I ended up getting this. Although I got this from Ulta before that, actually, before I did the Colourpop one. But in the Colourpop Dream Street also there is blue. So I don't know if I needed this, but anyway. But this is like a different blue. It looks like, at least. See, beautiful bright blue. I don't know why they call it coconut. And when you touch these shadows, it's, look at that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Even if I don't wear it, I would just love to look at it. That blue. Beautiful blue. So these are the 3 colors I ended up getting. Because a lot of other colors you already have them. I'm sure they will be there in the palettes also. But I just wanted these colors that I could use every time. Again, I don't know how much I'll be using it, but those are the colors I hauled. Now I also have some lippy sticks, but I will do that in another video, because otherwise this video is going to get long. I got them also from Colourpop's website. So those lippy sticks, I'll do it in a different video. So that's all for this video, guys. because lippy sticks, you know, I'll have to swatch them and everything, so I'm going to do that in a different video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and there will be lot more coming up, like reviews and you know, try on hauls and stuff like that, so handbag reviews and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, bye, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.